People are making money off something you use 100 times a day. Apps. And I bet most of you didn't even think about that as an option to make some money. Even I built my own app using AI in minutes and use it to make money. So this is real, and I want you to be able to get in on this too. But chances are you don't even have an idea of what kind of app to build. That's why in this video, I'm giving you 5 app ideas that are proven to be profitable. All you have to do is pick one and execute. No skills needed. And make sure you watch this video all the way through, because thanks to the sponsor of this video, Hostinger, I can show you how to build your own web-based app in under 10 minutes and how to get traffic to the app that you built. But you know what you got to do. Hit that algorithm in the face. Let YouTube know that you like money-making content, and the way to do that is by hitting the thumbs up button. And if you're on mobile, don't forget to hit the hype button. It's below this video, and it helps get this video out to more people, and it keeps me in your algorithm so that I can keep bringing you this free content that gives you options to make money from home. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get into app ideas that pay using AI in minutes. Nobody's going to tell you this. Let's go. Now we're going to get into these 5 ideas, but let me show you why this is real, okay? This right here is my app creator for real. I used Hostinger Horizons to build this app in minutes. It helps content creators find and land brand deals. I let people use this app for free, but if they want brand contacts and upgraded features, then they would buy my Elite Influencer system. That's how I make money from my app, okay? So my free app gets them in the door, and the kit is how I get paid. I built this app in 5 minutes using Hostinger Horizons. I told the AI what I wanted, it built it, I published it. But my app is based on my interest. You should build one based on yours. But I know the Nikki Connected crew. Many of you are sitting there thinking, but Nikki, I don't even have an idea of what kind of app to build. Baby, I got you. Let me help you with some app ideas that can actually pay. Option number 1, finance tools. This is where Google pays you the most. But let me give you a specific idea that y'all can run with. A debt payoff calculator. Somebody types in their debts, interest rates, and income, and your app gives them a personalized payoff plan. Millions of people every month are typing how to pay off debt faster or debt snowball calculator. These people aren't browsing for fun. They are stressed. They need this tool. And here's the thing, when people are stressed about money, they click ads about money. That urgency is exactly what makes this kind of traffic valuable to advertisers. That means Google Adsense is going to be willing to pay you more per click. So you can link your app up with Google Adsense so that you can run ads on that app. And when people click on the ads on the app, you get paid. And people don't always have to click on the ads. Google AdSense actually pays you for just having the ads in front of people. So it's technically like when you're driving down a highway and you see a billboard. Imagine how many cars drive down a highway and they see these billboards. Imagine if the advertisers were actually just getting paid by people looking at the ads. That's how it works when it comes to putting ads on your apps and websites. And you typically get paid more when people actually click on those ads. 1 click on a finance ad can pay more than 10 clicks on a game app. Oh yeah, that math is mathin'. Plus, don't forget you can add affiliate links right inside the tool as well. Credit monitoring services, refinancing tools, budgeting apps. Every one of those apps pays you when someone clicks on them. And here's where Hostinger Horizons makes this easy. You can connect Google AdSense directly inside Hostinger Horizons, so the ads are running on your app from the door. Now you just saved a bunch of time because now you don't have to figure out how to put the ads on your site. You build the app, you connect AdSense inside Horizons, and Google starts placing ads on your app automatically. Finance apps pull the highest ad rates on Google, so this one feature matters the most for this category. Option number 2, productivity tools. Now, Google might pay you a little less per visitor here, but the potential traffic is high, which can pay really well. So let me help you out and give you an idea for a productivity app. A get it done timer. You know how you sit down to work and suddenly you're on TikTok for 45 minutes? This app can stop that. You set your work time, it plays focus sounds, and when break time hits, it tells you to step away. Plenty of people need these apps, including me, but also students, remote workers, side hustle folks. Millions of people are searching work timer, focus timer online. This is evergreen, which means it's not just good for a short period of time. This is something that people can use for years to come. And let me give you a little tip. Every September and every January, their traffic spikes like clockwork every year for this type of app, okay? And why do you think that is? Pause the video, think about the answer, and then I'm going to tell you, okay? The reason why focus apps would spike in September and January is because in September, people are going back to school, so they need to focus. And then in January, everybody and their mama has New Year's resolutions. So they're focused on making the money, being a better person, yada, yada, yada. By June, we're all back to being our regular selves. But either way, those spikes are still there, and I just helped y'all out. But the fact of the matter is, people always need help focusing all year long. And the way to get paid with apps like this is volume. Google might pay you $2 to $4 per 1,000 visitors, which sounds lower than the finance app, I know. But when you're pulling in 50,000 visitors a month, because people keep coming back to use the timer every single day, hello, that adds up fast. And let me help you think like a business person, because you can also have an upgraded version of this app where people can save their sessions, have custom focus sounds, priority work modes, $3 a month. Get 1,000 people paying $3, and that's $3,000 a month before you even count what Google pays you. Think about it. That's rent money from one single timer. Now here's where Hostinger comes in clutch. Horizons connects directly to payment platforms. Oh yeah, I know. Many of you were already thinking like, how can I collect money? I get that question all the time. I'm already ahead of you, okay? You can set up your premium tier right inside Hostinger Horizons and connect it with Stripe or PayPal. No separate payment system that you have to connect and be all confused, okay? And most importantly, you don't have to send your traffic over to another platform in order to pay. Option number 3, wellness and self-care. Nobody's talking about this category for AI apps, and that's exactly why it's wide open, y'all. A lot of people are sleeping on this. So here's a specific idea, a water intake tracker. Because sometimes the simplest ideas are the ones that actually pay. Someone logs their weight and activity level, and the app tells them exactly how much water to drink every day with reminders. A good demographic to target when it comes to an app like this is health-conscious women between the ages of 25 to 54, what the majority of you are that are watching this video. How much water should I drink gets searched over 200,000 times per month. So if you thought I was lying, listen, the numbers don't lie. 200,000 people are searching for this. This is not a small audience. That's a whole city of people looking for exactly what you would be building within minutes. And so, you know, Google pays around $4 to $8 per 1,000 visitors in the wellness category. That's not too bad, but the real play is affiliate marketing. Water bottles, supplements, fitness apps. You embed those recommendations right inside the tool. Someone checks their water intake and boom, there's your affiliate link for the cutest water bottle they didn't even know they needed. And listen, women buy from recommendations. That's not a stereotype, it's a fact. Ask any beauty brand how they make their money. Listen, Estee Lauder is making a whole bunch of money from me. And here's the Hostinger advantage that nobody is talking about. Hostinger has built-in email collections. When someone signs up for water reminders on your app, you capture their email. How do I know this? Because I use this myself. My Nikki For Real website is connected with my Creator For Real app, and I actually collect the emails that way. So I know what I'm talking about, okay? Don't you doubt me. But the strategy with having people sign up for your emails is you don't have to hope that they remember that your app exists. You can send them weekly wellness tips, affiliate product drops, a $5 premium tier with advanced tracking. The app becomes a whole business, not just a one-time visit. That's really important in business, is to have your customers coming back more than once. Option number 4, creator and small business tools. This one is personal because y'all know I live in this space. So steal this app idea. A social media caption generator. Someone types in their niche, fitness, beauty, food, whatever, and AI writes their captions for them. Do you know how many people hate writing captions? Every new content creator on earth is searching for this. Every small business owner who'd rather do literally anything else than write an Instagram caption is a customer for this app. The search volume is massive and it's still growing. An idea to earn with this is Google Adsense on the free version, a $5 a month upgrade for unlimited captions, and affiliate links to scheduling tools like Later or Buffer. Those pay you every single time someone signs up through your app. That's 3 income streams from one tool. And don't forget to use the power of Hostinger. You can get a free custom domain and a business email with the starter plan and above. The branding is what turns a cool idea into an actual earner. Idea number 5, include practical mom tools. So this one is for my fellow moms out there. A lot of y'all are going to hear this idea and think it's too simple, but here's what I need you to understand. Simple gets used. Simple gets shared in group chats and mom Facebook groups. Simple apps make money. So an app idea that you can steal is a kid's chore and allowance tracker. Every mom knows this struggle. You tell your kids to do their chores. They say they did it. You don't even know if they actually did it. And now you're arguing about the allowance. Or worse, you forgot to pay the allowance and now you owe them money. Moms are out here running whole households off of memory and sticky notes. But an app that they can check on their phone, that's a whole different story. That makes life so much easier. The kid logs in, sees their chores for the day, checks them off, and the parent sees it all from their end. But the people that need this, moms, single moms, dads, blended families, any parent trying to hold it together. People are really searching for chore tracker for kids, allowance tracker, and kids chore app. These are real searches by real people that are overwhelmed parents, okay? And there isn't a mom alive who wouldn't click on a chore tracker at 11 p.m. when she's trying to remember if her kid cleaned the bathroom this week, okay? And I'm gonna tell you, Google Ads from the parenting and family audience, advertisers pay well for that demographic, hands down. You can create a premium tier, $4 a month for multiple kids, allowance, tracking, deadline reminders, and affiliate links to family budgeting apps, educational subscriptions, meal planning services. Moms buy from other moms, parents buy from other parents. And here's how Hostinger makes this one work even easier. It has a built-in database. Chores, check-ins, allowance balances, that's all data that needs to be stored somewhere. Most free app builders can't handle this. Horizons gives you the database inside of the platform. No extra cost, no coding. I'm a single mom. I do not have time for complicated. But here's the deal. You have to have a web address for people to access your web-based app. So beneath this video in the description box, I have a special link for you guys. If you sign up for a 1-year plan with Hostinger, they will give you your web address for free. Yes, just look below this video in the description box. I have a special link for you guys with a special code that will give you a discount on their starter plan. Okay, make sure you choose the starter plan. Sign up for a 1-year starter plan. They will actually give you a free web address, okay, and give you that discount. Yes, baby. Okay, did y'all notice the pattern? Because every single one of these ideas has a free version. That's your traffic magnet. That's how you get people coming to your app. Google Adsense, built right into Horizons, connects in just a couple of clicks. An upgrade path, $3 to $5 a month premium, paid through Hostinger's payment connections like PayPal and Stripe. Affiliate links embedded inside the tool itself. The whole idea is you don't pick one monetization method, you stack them. The free traffic pays you through AdSense, the loyal traffic upgrades. The curious ones, click affiliate links. And if that sounds complicated, it's not. Hostinger literally built the tools to do all of these things inside one platform. So you don't have to bounce around. You can stay right there on Hostinger Horizons, okay? So now that you've got ideas, you know how they pay, but none of that matters if nobody finds your app. So let's talk traffic, because this is where people give up, and I am not letting you give up, okay? Here's what most people don't know. Google ranks web tools higher than blog posts. If someone searches debt payoff calculator, Google wants to show them a tool, not a 3,000 word article about debt. So you're not fighting the algorithm, you're feeding it what it wants. So my formula is pick a keyword people are already searching. I gave y'all a bunch of them in this video. No excuses. If you missed those, then go back, okay? The key is to build your app around what people are already looking for. Your app's title, description, and page text should match what people are typing into Google. I've been a blogger for over 10 years. Most people will gatekeep the fact that you need to submit your site to Google Search Console. That's really important. It's free to do it, but it puts your app or your website directly into Google. It only takes like 2 minutes. But this tells Google that your web-based app actually exists. So don't skip that step. And even though I said it, I know a bunch of people are going to skip that step, or they're going to ask me to send them over to Google Search Console. Go to Google, type in Google Search Console. That's how you can access it, okay? And one bonus traffic tip that nobody else is going to tell you, but I might as well get hired by this company because I talk about it all the time. Pinterest. I keep telling y'all about this, but a lot of people aren't listening. Y'all still don't have y'all Pinterest accounts. What is the problem? Women ages 35 to 54 live on Pinterest. Even my daughter, who's 15, has a Pinterest account and searches it regularly. So if your target audience is women, definitely use Pinterest. Pin a graphic of your tool, and inside the description, make sure you have a bunch of keywords. Now, I've given you a lot of information in this video, but I want to hear from you. Do you want to try any of these ideas? Which one stands out to you the most? Did you know you can actually build an app in minutes? Let's discuss it in the comments. But if anything in this video piqued your interest or helped you, please let me and the YouTube algorithm and Hostinger know by hitting the thumbs up button. And also, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, we spoke a lot about apps in this video, but I wonder, do you know how to actually build this app using AI? Oh, I'll show you how step by step in this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around